Hi guys, welcome to the new video. And today was my interview. It ended now only. So yeah, I thought ki I'll make video about it. So basically, today interview was based on PowerShell. So they wanted someone who has worked on PowerShell scripting and all. So yeah, so basically, in PowerShell. Uh, so guys, if you have interest in learning PowerShell is also a very good tool where you can automate the things which you are doing manually in our Windows, like processing the file. Many things we can automate, and it's a very powerful language too. So if you want to learn and explore about it, surely you try it out. And it's very easy because in our Windows, PowerShell is already there. You don't have to install it or anything. You can directly like start learning it. And I think if you learn it, you will only get a upper edge. So if they ask in DevOps also, it is helping you out. It will help you out. You can use it, like you have automated the scripts using PowerShell. So basically, I will also put a link in a description from where you can learn PowerShell. So they are little old videos, but the basic that will be there, like the PowerShell version which is explained there is little old, but the basics that are explained are very nice. I loved it. Today I was watching those videos for preparing it for my interview, and guess what? The questions were asked from that. So I was like, I am fully sure that if you want to learn PowerShell and if you'll go through those videos and practice from them, you will be like, you'll become a hero by learning that. So I'll put that link in description. So PowerShell script are very like in security wise they are very very strong, because if you run the see, first of all, PowerShell script are stored with .ps extension, and if you double click on those PowerShell script, it will not run by default. It will first open in notepad, and then you can check the code and everything, and then you can only run it. And basically, there is a execution policy set over there and everything. So you can set the execution policy means from which user, like who all users have written that script. Like we can track who has written that script, and that script can be trusted or not. If we are downloading any script, we can get the username and everything. So that is basically we can use in our PowerShell. And PowerShell script can be run by like giving the whole PowerShell like file name path where our script is stored, or we can give ./test.ps1, like this. And also in PowerShell, like PowerShell is very good tool for processing the CSV files. Like it can process the CSV file so easily. Like if there is any CSV file that we need to process, we need to get some column and we need to process it somewhere. So it is, there are many modules present in PowerShell that we can use, and we can use that CSV file, and we can use PowerShell. So basically, I would suggest that if you learn PowerShell, it will give you an upper edge. Not only like when you'll work in a team in a company, and if you know PowerShell, it will be very good for you because you'll be able to manually like automate the scripts. So, the questions that were asked to me today regarding in the interview were that if you have to debug any PowerShell script, any error, then what we have to use. We can use try catch. Even there is an dollar underscore error kind of thing that we use in PowerShell that you can check out. And then what all, like how there is a command to map a drive. What is that command? And then basically the interviewer asked me that what all scripts I have worked on, what are the execution policy, how is array defined, how is hash table defined, how we can invoke APIs like the REST APIs and everything using PowerShell, that you have to explain. So yeah, and basically he wanted to know like how I have created the CSV file using PowerShell. So can I tell that thing? So for PowerShell, like you can practice these kind of things. So yeah, so totally this was asked, and mainly the interviewer focused on the scripts what I have written. And yeah, so that's all for today. I hope it's helpful for you guys, and I'll give the link in the description section to learn if you want to learn PowerShell. So yeah, check that out. So yeah, bye.